as a tile installation, it's very important. We have a perfect cut. So we have a perfect cut over here. We use the wet saw. A lot of people, a lot of tile guys, they use Makita. It works too, but you have to spend more time. You have to sometimes cut more times. When the wet saw, the cut, it's perfect. So that's the difference when we do a glass tile job. That's one of those differences for the quality of the work. Okay. We just finished the tile installation, the glass tile, and as well the ledge stone today on the raised wall. It's a very good combination, and I hope you guys like it.